So guys, welcome to another episode. In case you're new here, my name is Grace Mission. Can you like the video, share, drop a comment so that I'll know whether you are there, guys. I'm talking live from Kajiado. This is where Kajiado is. This is a boundary where the railway is. So this is my second day here, guys. So the kids are outside today. I don't know whether they closed or what's wrong in front of me, guys. So we are going to close the under railway. They are alone, and the guys, let's enjoy this video, please. There are some people who are watching my video and we have not subscribed. Can you go do it? And that's a better way of supporting me. So it is in the morning and the time now is 8 o'clock in the morning. Like here, I don't think whether people, maybe if they wake up early, it's like they have already left lake. But on the way is 1 to 3 people and motorbikes. Okay, so I'm trying to have a walk and see around because to this side is my first time passing here, and I need to know the place actually where I am, so that maybe I'm gonna get used to the hotels here. Nice hotels, guys. Wow. This is a cave, bar, business, Christian, Christian. These are shops, others are closed. I don't know whether they are working or I'm not sure. Guys, I'm just lazy because I work too much just to look for videos. Sometimes it's not that easy, like, and so when you are going to the coast, you pass over there with the SGR. That's over there. I'm gonna go and show you. And wow, I'm going to town now. I'm going to town. Today is my second day here. It is my second day. And I'm just lazy because of the tiredness. Yes. Laziness, tiredness. So see, we're gonna close there as usual. There we are for when it is passing. I think those that one up there should be red so that no one closes. I think so. So you have to pass under this. It is so dangerous that no one is allowed to pass over there. And there are some girls, ship. No goods. Ship. Guys, I'm going to town. Yesterday we passed from the other side, like. We passed from the other side, but now I've used the light, the on my right. This one here, I don't know. So it is dangerous. Here the railway passes here, so you have to cross this railway. So now we have the boundary of Kajiado, is this railway up, and down here we have Makweni. And the main highway is over there. Like, this place is so dry, guys. It's very dry. The place is very dry. When you see that the soil is red, that means the soil is dry. The soil is dry. It has never rained for some time. Believe me what I'm saying, guys. Someone, they were laughing at me that I'm getting lost. I'm trying to know places, but I'm not trying to get lost. I'm trying to learn. Maybe guess what? We have this. We have Nguruwe street in Nguruwe. So see how the center is. It's very dusty. I should buy red shoes because the black ones they get so dirty very quickly. So, I don't want to put some water. When you are sitting, you should just sprinkle some water first, and then it is a morning and the people have not opened business. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 as I can count, because the other beds here, the beds they are open and they don't have.
He reigns forever, he reigns forever.
You can see the other beds are brandy. There are no people have not opened because it is early. They're putting on some chickens. He's carrying the knife. If we want to withdraw some money, he's carrying the knife. Still we are having a walk, haven't reached where I was going. What I'm wondering about this place here, when it is early in the morning, it is dull. The weather is so dull. Let's go. Oh, hello. So I'm heading to the main highway. You see, because I came overnight and I never knew how it was. So We have a street pigs, bickling. So I'm going to the main highway so that I will show you, because I came overnight and this is my second day, guys. I hope you are going to enjoy this here. People are preparing for business. Like, are they scrolling today? So we are starting. I think this the students are they closing they have already closed the school. Heading to the main highway. Over there. Salama. If you're a visitor somewhere, guess what? Everyone will look at you like no one is business. See what I told you? The street big. The street big.
Akaniambia hiyo pesa niwekee mimi nitaenda kusoti maneno yangu. Na nikamwekea dhao, akaniambia atakuja kufunika.
So when you are going to the coast, when you are going to Mombasa, you follow that route. Only when you are going to a country, all these roads here, they slept here. Like, guys, I don't know how this place is so dusty. Like, and this is the main highway. If you want to go to up country, then that's how it looks, guys. So I really appreciate the love. See, when you are going to Mombasa, from here to Mombasa, I don't know how much you are going to use, because I am not sure. Maybe I will ask and then I will update you next time. So continue supporting me, guys. I really appreciate the love, and God bless you from outside there as you take your small time just to stand here, just to come and assist me, come and support me, guys. I really appreciate the love. Let's continue moving. Thank you so much. Yeah. So guys, here we are. So it is a morning. Actually, I was late, and what you have to do first of all, because it is already late, that's why I put the chips to keep on boiling, but to keep on frying, so that I'll see.
Có tốt ngày gì? Cái gì cũng có một chán quá, rồi có rớt supermarket thì này bây giờ có.
Yes, it is. I'm going to use this.
Nada kwaya sahihi asali. Tunaanza hapo. Mbona bachafu?
After you finish, I have to mop. My sister is saying that she's going.